friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can use camera watermark. Suppose you want to use camera watermark, or how you can turn off camera watermark on your owner mobile phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, at first, if you want to use camera watermark, you have to click on camera. When you click on camera, here you can see there is many options, so just tap on setting. When you click on setting, you have to scroll on the down, and when you scroll down, here you can see there is the camera watermark. Okay, so click on watermark. When you click on watermark, here is the add watermark. Device model and owner frame are only available when using rear camera. And here is the horror frame. If you want to use this horror frame in this side and in this side, here is the horror frame, and here is the default. Okay, so which one you want to use, you can use. Okay, suppose I'm just going to click some photos. Even you can set the date and time also, if you want to set the date and time. Okay, and device model is the, do you know that it's owner? Okay, so let's capture some photos. So friends, here I have captured some photos, and here if you want to check it, here you can see owner 9200 megapixel matrix camera, and the date is here. Okay, and if you want to remove this date and this model, then you can remove by just clicking on this icon, the watermark. Okay, so this is how you can set or use this camera watermark. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.